how to install VCard-SaaS, that's Business Card Builder SaaS, Laravel VCard-SaaS, that's NFC card with mobile app script. So for this script installation, I will be using Codeless to download the script. Now, please don't forget, Codeless is only meant for testing purposes. So let me go straight to codeless.cc, codeless.cc, enter. As I said earlier, please don't forget, it's only meant for testing purposes. Please use this in description to purchase scripts. Then next, I click on the search button to look for the script I'm looking for, which is VCard. Then enter. Next, I'm going to click on this because that's the script I want to download. I then scroll down to select any of the link to download the script. Let me use this link. I copy, open a new tab, then paste it there. Enter. Then I click on download to download the script, but I have already downloaded the script before. So let me just go straight to my computer, download, so here is the script and I extract it. Here is the extracted file. Here is the extracted file. So let me open it. Let me open it again. Then, so here is the script I'm sending to my C panel, but I've extracted it. Here is it. So the actual one I'm supposed to send is this list. So I will send this to my C panel. So let me go straight to my C panel. Here is my C panel. So I will go to File Manager, then to my subdomain folder, because I'm using subdomain for these testing purposes. So I will go to this is my subdomain. Next, I extract it. As you can see, I have already uploaded this script. That's the dist. Look at it. I've already uploaded it. Dist. Then next, I extract it. I right click, extract files. So the files has been extracted. I close it. So here is the extracted file. I open it. I select all, then move to the root folder. Move files. Then I move up one level. Now I have uploaded my script into my file manager. The next thing for me to do is to create a database. So let me go to my database, from my C panel to my database. So let me scroll down. Here's my database, my SQL databases. Then I create my database. Let me name it as TESET. Then create database. Okay, successful. I click on go back. Next is for me to create the user after creating the database. So let me create the user. Let me name the user as like this. Create user. So successful. I will go back. I have created the database and user. Next, I will add the user to the database. So I will make sure I select the user I just created. I'll make sure I select the database I just created, then add. Next, I give up privileges, then move down to make changes. Successful, I go back. So what next for me to do is to go to my PHP my admin. I then select the database I just created, which is this. Then I import the SQL. Import, I click on import, choose file. So here is the SQL. I select it, then I click on open. I move down, then import. Now the SQL has imported successfully. So after that, I go back to my file manager. So my .env, I am going to edit it. Edit. Then here I change my database name, username and password to the one I created in the cPanel. So let me go to, let's move down. I want to copy the username. So I copy the username. Copy. Back to my .env. Database name. Paste. So the database name is this. This is what I use as my database name. Then I continue. Now I can now save it. Okay, it has been saved. Let me save again to confirm. Now, so I can now close it now. I've done all what is expected of me. So let me now go to my site, my subdomain. Press set, enter. As you can see, I have successfully installed this script. So from here you can go to anywhere you want. Pricing and plans, quick call, view more, anywhere you want to go from here. Home, about pricing, contact, language. So please like, share and subscribe to my videos. And if this video is helpful, please use link in description to buy me coffee. Thanks.